Hello everyone, my name is Elio. I am currently an MS Zoology student from the University of the Philippines, Las Bañas.
Ako naman si Piolo, and I'm from Benguet State University taking up MS in Biology, majoring in Microbiology.
Hi everyone, I'm Nessa and I'm taking MS Zoology, minor in Environmental Science, also from the UP-LB.
We are currently here in UP-MSI conducting our own research on microplastics as PReMIERS Fellows. Personally, I am interested in understanding how microplastics behave in the vertical column. So how do these microplastics get suspended in the surface and at the bottom or in the sediments? I'm also taking a look at how the contamination from the water and the sediments would reflect on the mussels or the PReMIERS that is widely farmed in the bays of Manila Bay, including Bacoor and 𝐏𝐤𝐬𝐿 bays. So we conduct this study not just for science, but also in informing the public on how microplastics pollution affect our aquaculture systems. By having our results, we can actually inform our local authorities in creating policies that are backed up with science. How about you, Piolo?
Yung akin naman, I want to focus on the early attachment of the microorganisms in plastics as they enter the marine waters. And I want to understand how these primo-colonizers affect or influence, or what is their role in the biodeterioration or potentially the biodegradation of these plastics under shifting environmental conditions. And by examining the behavior of these plastics and microbes, I want to uncover or potentially unleash the hidden impacts of this and spark deeper conversations, especially in plastic pollution, as we learn more about these microorganisms and these microplastics and macroplastics. They're very small, they're very tiny, yet very vital and important in our marine ecosystems. How about you, Nessa?
So I am currently looking at the influence of bay topology on microplastic contamination in PReMIERS, or also known as taho. Here, I would like to look at how topology or how the shape of bays, for example, if it's more enclosed or more open, and how it would affect the distribution of microplastics in the marine waters, and also on the mussel aquaculture in those areas. So we hypothesize that the more enclosed bays would actually trap more microplastics in those areas, and hence making the mussels there more vulnerable to microplastic pollution. So by establishing this, we will be informing everyone on which types of waters are more vulnerable to microplastic pollution, and also pushing forward to creating more informed policies. Therefore, we are raising awareness that what ends up in our seas may actually end up on our plates. So I think Elio has still more to say.
Kaya naman inaanyayahan namin kayo to join us in the Plastics Conference 2025.
This coming July 24 to 25,
Here sa new building of the Marine Science Institute,
UP Diliman, Quezon City.
You can check the caption for details in registration and kita-kits!
bye!